Welcome to Advance After Hours. We're here with Eric. Eric, somewhere. Eric. We're here with Eric's car and a Defender Urban that we were shooting. And Alex is currently driving Eric's car. And we've been having some fun with this puddle in the middle of this turf field here. So we're gonna stand back because we don't want to get sprayed by this water. Can't see. There we go. Oh my god, that looks so sick. Holy hell.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, Con. Fuck yeah. Fucking beautiful, dude.
Want to say that one more time? Should I pee on Eric's car for the BTS segment? There's a little bit of mud there. After that.
No, I already got AIDS when you were doing it. You're like inhaling the fucking mist. Dude, it's awful. You got AIDS.
That was good.
Are you ready?
Yeah, and everything's still. Which way? Same way. I just want to do it from. I would do a low shot this time instead of a high.
Alright, we'll go from park to drive. Ready, ready.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, you were buckled in.
Okay,
Sorry.
do it one more time.
Alright, do my hands or whatever.
Yep.
I can't see anything.
Oh my god, this car is covered in...
Don't want to hit Alex.
Alright, one more big one. Don't hit a fucking cinder block, Eric.
It's covered.
Somebody's yelling.
What?
I definitely heard somebody yell.
I don't think so.
No? Am I just fucking... No, I'm schizophrenic. Oh my god, this turf is soaked. You need to spray me off for a video.
Look at the beating.
Hi.
Hi.
I know, doing the car. Eric, you sure you trust me to do this, man?
You got it.
Last thing you ever do.
It's not like driving a very fast car. All you have to do is go straight through the water. Okay, so I would go from like back here, okay?
Yep.
Come through. I was hitting like 25 miles an hour.
Okay, so double that.
Double that.
Little bitch.
Double that, rip the e-brake.
Okay. Does it have an e-brake? Well, I'm gonna find one. All right, let's do this.
Whatever you do, just don't go in like the deep end.
Go the deep end as fast as possible.
Send it once.
All right. Where are you about?
Nothing to worry about, Eric. Oh no, guys. Eric got soaked.
Oh, look at this image though.
Oh my god. Guys, take a look at that.
Oh, I got the back of my head.
I'm spraying you down when we get back. Oh god,
I brought an extra shirt.
you've definitely got AIDS.
I'm gonna kill you. like this burst.
I got fucking soaked.
I got like this burst of torque right when I touched dry land again. I'm like, oh, there it's dead. But we made it.
How does it look on the metas?
It looks like my eyes, so pretty bad.
There is shit everywhere.
Yeah,
This is what we walked through, Eric.
I know.
What is this? What is that? Do you want this in 120?
No, it's gonna be slow. That looks so good.
It's going for swim. Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, baby. Keep coming. He found the thing. Yeah, you found one. All right.
God damn, what the fuck? Who the fuck? I think Alex got here before we did.
That's it. Don't matter. I'm gonna roll up that window.
Holy fuck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think he may... well, your entire... Oh, fuck. Oh my god.
Let me know when you're recording.
I am.
Okay. Master has me working all the time. One day Master set me free.
I can't fucking concentrate.
Dumbass got his car stuck in the dirt.
Alright, let's hear what happened.
Well, Eric was done doing some tricks in this, some donuts, 360s up on the rocks, and then we're about to fucking leave. And he thought it'd be fun to get the damn car stuck.
How far did he make it down before he got stuck right at the edge?
About 2-3 inches maybe.
Guys, we got about all the way over there.
2-3 inches. I don't know why you're showing him. I said what it was. About 2-3 inches.
Oh my god.
Again.
So, verbatim, I think Eric said something like, guys, you're never going to believe this. Watch what my car can do. And he went all the way that way. And right on the very end.
Hey, fire department. I remember Eric's words right before he did this. He was like, it is statistically impossible to get a Defender stuck on gravel or asphalt. Those were his exact words.
You're making too.
No, that was exactly verbatim quote. I will go to court. Hand on the Bible. Eric said that. Our fucking mosquitoes are gonna infect us with hantavirus after we got poop AIDS from the poop water. We're not making. I don't think we're making it home. I think this is like our resting ground. People archaeologists will dig up our bones in 15 years. After the world apocalypse happens.
God damn it.
Oh well, you know, man, worse shit has happened. You know what would be really bad? If an Israeli missile hit us right now. That would really be unfortunate.
I gotta get every...
Yeah, it was.
So now that we've tested these hills, we're gonna do it in the customer's car.
Yes, we wanted to test it in a little bit, you know, a little rinky-dinkier of a vendor. Now we're gonna do the real one.
Oh, God.
You know, I'm pretty sure I have a tow strap at my house. I live like 3 minutes from here, so I can go get it and come back. But it's under there. I got it pretty wedged under there. Yeah, there we go. Oh shit, that might be the solution. Because now we got hard ground. Big plane physics it. Big plane physics.
Alex, what did you say about the handicap?
I said for once they might come in handy. Thanks, guys. Okay, slowly.
Oh?
Oh, wait.
Oh, he just stopped. He just stopped. Okay, let's get a quick time check here. It is 8:43 right now. We just got unstuck. Alex came with the tow hook. We tried some stop signs. And now we have to go back with this, yeah. Had to tow it out with the Subaru. We're done. We made it. We made it out alive. Only
That's so crazy.
4 hours later.
Parking. Ain't really going in.
It ain't going in.
He did it! And like a regular handicapped person, it fell over.